Hello and welcome back to Picture Contraptions. Today I just wanted to take a quick minute and explain to you some of the reasons why when you pull a cardboard boat up the starting line, you'll see many boats flip over and capsize right off the bat and sink. This all has to do with stability, and in most cases this problem is completely preventable, which is why I'm making this video right now. I'm hoping some of you out there will see it and not do these issues. The first thing that causes a boat to flip over is having its bottom be way too narrow. When you have a narrow bottom on a boat, it's just like having a very thin balance beam to balance on. It's a lot trickier than if you've got to, say, balance on a beam the size of a sidewalk. You can walk all over and you're not going to flip over. So, the second reason I see a lot of cardboard boats instantly flip over and capsize is because they build platforms up where you're now sitting above the waterline on the boat. Now, the safety zone for your weight is going to be in between the waterline and the base of the boat in the water. When your weight, your center of mass, is in that area, your boat's going to be stable because all that weight is pushing downward through the bottom of the boat and thus helping the boat balance in the water. As soon as you move that weight above the water and you get off center a little bit, that weight is no longer pushing downwards into the bottom of the boat. That weight is pushing off center. It's almost like a radial force now. It's wanting to pull down and flip the boat over. So you'll see a lot of teams where they have like a 6-inch platform built up on the bottom. Well, hopefully in the future you won't see a lot of teams out there with this because they've seen this video. But if they haven't seen this video, you'll see sometimes where they've got a 6-inch platform. 6-inch platform is normally well above the water line, and this will cause all their weight to be up. As soon as the race starts, they'll lean over to paddle. Their weight will go off that center line, just like a person falling off of a balance beam. The radial force pulls the boat and flips it over. So just avoid, in general, building any kind of structure that gets you up off the actual base layers of your boat. So long as you're on those base layers, you're going to be very safe from flipping the boat over. That's just my advice. Don't build any kind of platform that you're sitting up on. I know some of you will go and probably reply, well, hey, Patriot, canoes. Canoes have platforms where you're sitting up on them. They have seats, and they seem pretty stable. Yes, canoes are pretty stable when you're sitting on them. But there's a difference between a canoe and a racing cardboard boat. And that difference is how hard you're paddling it. You're leaning over and you're really putting your weight into a cardboard boat. All that weight is getting thrown from side to side. And that mass is going a lot further over than if you're just casually paddling along a canoe. In a canoe, you're almost always going to be center-lined because you're not throwing yourself around trying to get that extra stroke in. So when I was racing cardboard boats, I always like to have my team kneel because that gets their weight as low as possible in the boat and it gives them that added stability. So thanks for watching this video. If this helped you out, be sure to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel. And as always, have a fantastic day. Picture Contraptions, signing out.